raining. As you see, ankle deep in water here. This is the rain just stopped. And there's a hell of a current coming through. Here, around the corner, this is why the drain's overwhelmed. And this is where they're about to put a raised crossing. What the hell effect is a raised crossing going to have here? The council just don't know what they're bloody doing. I'm told they shouldn't put a raised crossing here. See, this is where the raised crossing is going to go. That level of water running down this street. The raised crossing is going to... Look, the drain is absolutely overflowing the drain here. So it's actually coming out of the drain, not going into the drain. That's how the drains cope. This is opposite our house there. It's starting to dissipate. The drain is overflowing. Here we have where it's going in this drain here. Totally overflowing, can't cope. And then you see the natural water course is meant to flow through the park here, which it's doing, but because of the way they've designed the bottom streets, it doesn't flow naturally into the water course over here. This is, again, ankle deep water through the stone arch, completely overflowing. Yeah, ankle deep all the way through the arch. It's actually over my ankles now. And this is, the rain has actually stopped, pretty much. This is the aftermath, the flood coming through. Look across the road. You see it's actually flowing fast. All the way down here. This is where properties flooded last time. This is just poor infrastructure. So, get back under these trees. Oh good, the properties aren't actually flooding this time yet. Well, they might be down by the swimming pool. Walk down to the swimming pool. Look at this person, they're standing in the depths of the water. And the rain's coming down again. You see that's deep. So it's got deep down here.
Yeah, my finger's done.
Oh no! So this is down at the swimming pool. Someone's garden's just becoming the victim here of a river flow going in, but this poor beamer completely. That's going to be a wet carpet job because now water's halfway up my calves here. Oh, we might see the number plate. But yeah, see that's crazy. These cars are pretty flooded. Oh, it's right across. Good luck. The guy's trying to move his car. It's awesome. Oh, he's out. Well, that just shows you the depth of it. That is completely across the swimming pool road here. And there's a raised pedestrian crossing. That's the effect. The other side of the raised pedestrian crossing is completely dry. This side, a complete flood. So, yeah, this is the effect of the water coming down Park Gardens. If you can see, it's over my carts here. It's knee deep here. At this point, that's where the beamer was. It's knee deep. Oh, someone's really been just fell over due to the water. Got it out all right then?
Hopefully.
Floor a bit soaked?
I don't know, but you know when it gets wet on the floor mats and it starts really bad?
Oh yeah.
But I mean...
But at least it didn't get into your upper side of your engine.
Yeah, exactly. It only got up to...
Yeah.
You know, here or something.
Yeah.
On the left side it was a bit a bit higher.
That's a grunty sounding beamer.
800 horsepower.
Oh, okay. Hopefully not too wet. This is ridiculous because you can see the effect of the raised crossing there.
Yeah.
It's holding up all that water there.
Yeah, I opened that gate so it could all...
Oh, okay. Oh, that's good. Yeah.
It could all fuck off.
Because they're about to put a raised crossing across the end there.
Yeah.
And then you see the amount of water that's coming down. It's just gonna cause major problems.
Yeah.
Might alleviate some of down here.
I might go try and unblock the drain.
Oh, good idea. So it's still quite a flow. That guy got his car out all right, which is good. And it's still raining. Yeah. What I need to do is probably take the hump out of Quadrant Road, where it is, and actually direct that water flow that's coming down Park Gardens across into the park, which is the natural watercourse by the looks of it. But the way the roads have been designed, they're stopping the water following that natural course, which is obviously across the road here. And maybe the raised crossing will help redirect it down, but you can actually, it's the hump in the middle of the road. It's terrible because it's been successively raised every time they've done something on this intersection to the point where water doesn't flow. At least it's off my driveway now. And it was close to coming in because the drains just can't cope. I mean, that one's across the road is still overflowing from the drain. There's a corner drain here doing absolutely nothing. Just can't cope. Still. The drain over the other side has actually cleared the water across, because that flows across to this drain over this side, which eventually flows across supposedly to under this manhole here, or is it that manhole over there? This one's actually looks a bit blocked. It looks like council haven't cleared it. Oh no, it's blocked because of the roadworks. So somewhere under this drain here. Anyway, that just shows you what it's like on Quadrant and Park Gardens when it's heavy rainfall.